Hello guys, my name is Anthony Baraza. I'm going to show you how to dismantle a fan. It's where it's mounted. So after you've already opened the PC, the desktop, the fan has hooks. So first of all, you make sure you have unhooked all the points on the fan. It has 4 hooks. That is the fan on the processor. Okay, so once you've done that, I'm going to show you how to return the fan back to where it was. Done. So I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.